So we need to shovel some snow, and we need to do this after dark. But I want to do this with this cool little COB LED headlight here. This is from Meqoze, and I'll put the link in the description below. But this is a little headband, soft headband, silicone here, so it'll go around and be comfortable. We've got our band here that's going to give us a flood, and then you'll see this little spotlight on this one. I'm going to come over here a little closer. See if you can see this. On the side right here, there's the power button right here, and right here is something kind of cool. This is a sensor for motion sensing. So I can wave my hand, and you can hear the wind on this because I'm literally going to use this to shovel snow. I can wave my hand to the side of my head to turn the light on and off once I figured out which one I want. We got multiple levels with both bulbs. You can't run them both at the same time, but you can choose like this one or the one on the side. And we'll take a look at exactly what they do. On the back right here is a little port. You can kind of see it right there. You lift up that little flap. It's a USB-C connection to charge, and then you're good to go. I think it's about 1300 lumens. It's very bright and covering quite an area. So let's take a look at what it can do out here across our area. Okay, so it is on, and now I'm going to find that switch. So this is our beam. So this is the flood, and you can kind of see, well, there's the shadow of the phone that's there right there, but I'm getting a nice area here. I'm going to turn it, shut it, cover it, and that's what you're able to see. Now, if I continue to push the button, so there's high, there's low, and there's the spot, and then there's the low spot. So I would have to adjust it a little bit. I've got it too much to get on the side of my head. So there's high, there's low, high spot, low spot. And ahead of it, I can push the button for the motion detection. And now I take my hand and wave it past the side of my head. And again, you gotta have it close enough to your head, about 6 inches to a foot. Okay, out here at 2 feet, nothing. Let me just turn this around and show you what I'm doing. Let's see if this will work. So out here, there's nothing. There it comes on. There it's off. On. Off. Okay. Turn it back on. And we're gonna walk out here. We got the spot on, and I put my hand up there. I want to get it off the. There we go. I want to get it to the full, so you can see. I'm going to look straight ahead, and you can get an idea. Actually, I'm going to look kind of down, so I'm looking right there to give you an idea of its coverage. It gives me a nice big area for being able to shovel snow, blow snow, whatever I want to do. So I'm going to grab my shovel. Actually, I want to put some gloves on first, and we're going to do some scooping of the snow here and give it a run. But we'll put a link in the description below so you can check this headset out online. And again, it is a 2 light with our flood and our spot. Link will be in the description below.
How-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.